Hello everybody, how you doing? It's a new week. I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you had a great day, a great weekend. I have a couple things going on at one time. So I'm trying to finish the second order from Tabernacles 2. I'm trying to make sure I have my Hollie Dress graded up and down for like small, medium, large. May also do an extra large. So it's very loose fitted and it's cute. So I'll go a size up, and if someone is an extra small, I may go like when they order it, I may do a size down and then just add that to the site or something. But I'm trying to do that so I can get things rolling. People can wear this now, especially on the West Coast. People can wear it in the Midwest and East Coast as well. They'll probably just need to wear like something else underneath it, and like some leggings to stay warm, because it is winter right now. So, but on the West Coast, winter in Vegas at least, and parts of Cali, I think it's not like the Midwest and East Coast. So like we're not getting snowstorms and whatnot over here. So yeah, they would have to wear like leggings and stuff underneath, which is fine. That's what I would do. But yeah, so that's number 2. And then number 3 is I'm trying to figure out my storage situation in here. I mean, I wish I can put something up on the walls to just put stuff, but I also kind of like my clear wall space. So that's my mouse. But yeah, I have this box from the kids' diapers. I use what I can when I can. I'm considering putting it behind the door over there where I have some of those mailing letters and stuff. Well, here's the box. It's pretty big. I can stuff a nice amount of things in here for storage. And behind the door where that little red thing is, over right there, everything. And then back here is the shipping boxes, and behind that is more shipping boxes. And I'm probably just gonna stuff that in the closet or something, because as of right now, I'm not gonna use those boxes, especially if it costs $16 to ship them, unless somebody is like buying multiple items and I have to put it in a box. Then I will. Maybe, or I'll just buy some more poly bags and buy bigger sizes of them and put both items in there and ship it that way. So that's what I got going on today. Getting warm. Yeah, like I use some of those boxes in the closet. Like I don't know if you can see the closet, it's not completely open, but if you can see like right there where those shirts are, that's in a box, and there's boxes of stuff behind these doors where I use boxes, old boxes and whatnot, to be able to store stuff. So that's what I got going on my table. I kind of recorded a little bit of me starting the process of grading the other item. I kind of felt like I needed like a mental break from the orders. So yesterday was Christmas, but we don't celebrate Christmas. We celebrate Purim, which is in February, which is a holy day in the Bible. So it was just another day off for us, and I just kind of used that day to kind of do something else with my brain capacity. So instead of working on the pattern, I give my mind a little break and work on the grading for this dress real quick, because it's a simple piece. It's a 1, 2, 3 pieces. About 3 pieces. I don't really need a separate front and back to it. I kind of do, and then I don't, because the back is longer than the front. However, I can just rig that for now, and instead of using up all my paper to do a front and back for each grade, so for a small, I have to make a front and back for a small, front and back for a medium, front and back for a large, front and back for an extra large, front and back for an extra small. Like, see, that's a lot of paper. I already have to do those separate, so it'll just be more easier to do it the way I'm thinking of doing it, with the because the front and back is pretty much the same except for the longer piece in the back. So yeah, that's what I got going on, and I'm just gonna get back to it, get some work done, drink some water, drink some coconut water, keep my fluids good, try to stay off my feet as much as I can. I utilized this chair to do the drafting of the pattern. I felt good doing that, so I'm gonna try doing that again. So I'm gonna figure out where to put this box behind this door real quick, and then I'll probably just get to grading instead, just to give myself another day of doing something else with my brain thoughts, with my brain work, and then yeah, that'll be time to put the babies to bed, pretty much. Thought about moving this desk over and putting something over there, but I was like, nah, that'll be too much. No, that'll be too much. I like the way the setup is right now, so I'm not gonna bother with that. I'm just gonna put this box, see if I can put it behind the door. And if not, it is what it is. I don't know what I'm gonna do. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Bye.
The Lord of all lords and the God of all gods. Let's give him praise. Let me know, what's the duty of man? Time to get your mind right, ain't about the booty in hand. That's the lust of the flesh trying to ruin me again. Need to open up my Bible, let it school me again. While my eyes behold the devil try to rule me with sin. It's a never-ending battle, like women and men. Are you willing to spend? Christ got the answers, but the price ain't cheap.
Okay, y'all, so I got it. Ow. I was able to fit 2 boxes right there. More space, the merrier. So now I gotta see if I can actually put these in that closet full of stuff already, or if I can stuff it in the kids' closet for now. So let's see.
If you bow at his feet, you gotta feed his sheep. How we gon' learn if we only eat meat? Need sincere milk, make the blind man see. Jump in that water and rise, be free. When we empty our cup, give our minds the key. Let the spirit flowing like the river to a sea. Lord, open my heart, keep delivering me. So let me know, what's the duty of man? Fear God and keep his commandments. I don't wanna hear about what man meant. Interpretations of the lamb sent. The word speaks for itself. You off on a tangent. We must be bold in the word. Keep the fire hot, not cold in the word. Though the beast is aiming at us, not folding the skirt.
Hey everybody, so I am done and I really have to tinkle. So I finished the size medium. To start off the grading, so I'm gonna grade up 1 and down 1. Well, down 1 and up 2 actually. So whoop. So that is done. I need to Okay, so I still have to do the sleeve for this size as well. I want to get back to working on it later, but I don't know how my body's going to be feeling. So we'll see how my body feels. I know I need to drink more fluids and I need to eat, definitely. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to tinkle, definitely. And I need to put these babies down for naps now. So I'm going to do that. Just getting a little chilly in here. I think I'm going to close this door for now. So yeah, I'm going to do that. It wasn't a very eventful day. I mean, I don't know if any of the days are very eventful, but thank you anyway for coming and watching me through this journey of making clothes and whatnot. It has been a long journey and it's still going, still gonna be improving and learning things and whatnot. So yeah, I'm gonna go tinkle because I really have to use the bathroom, and I'm gonna put these babies down. But I hope you guys are having a great day, a good afternoon, evening, wherever you are in the world. and I will talk to you guys again very soon. Okay. I kind of feel bad doing these ones for you guys because you're not really, I don't know, you guys tell me how you feel about watching me do stuff like this, because I know people probably want to see more of the I'm starting to stare off into space here, a little space. People probably want to see more of the clothes making part, but there's work that has to get done before actually making the clothes. So this is the work that you don't see designers doing, some designers doing, before the clothes are actually made. So yeah, just let me know what you guys think, how you feel about this, what you want to see more of, what you want to see less of, all that kind of stuff. Please let me know, so that way I know, and then that way I can make or try and attempt to make some changes and things like that. So yeah, and plus I'm pregnant right now, so just let me know, please. All right, see you guys later. Bye.
You didn't know, now you're gone.